channel. So in the last video, we have introduced you a module. So let's see what have we make in the last video, so you can better understand that where we are. So am I also. So he is asking for command. You will put hi. You enter your command hi, and again I will hi hi. Okay, now this time he got me a different reply. So maybe we can first of all let's try it exit. Okay, it is working. So instead of you will write so it's bot, so we can clear that the response is from the bot side. So again we will first save it and again run it. So I hope it will working. So let's say hi. Okay, this time bot said to hi. Hello. Okay, now we have our try to quick also yes quick function is also working. Exit is also working. So this is initial. I hope you understand what we are created. So if we want to search something, okay, let's we try to search wiki. So okay, now we will write first of all hello, and it is asking what command about what you want to search. Okay, I want to search about Barack Obama. So it is in a few minutes. So now he is telling about the Barack Obama, former president of the United States of America. So this is the detail. So this is a very detailed summary. So you can short it into or few sentences. So where it is, Wikipedia summary search, and if you want, okay, I don't, I am unable to recall this. So we will update something else. So here we are. So what is our project? So we our AI bot is able to take input from the users and get response from the users. It is search also Wikipedia. So we will also do this. So first of all, this is the last. Our goal is to like that, make it like that. So let's jump for the today's topic. So for example, what should we do? I think we should do. We are also let's increase this one. So okay, ls command and like this, we will try to open YouTube in command. So let's see songs, play. So that's just the problem. Auto generated play. Okay, now we have to play song, YouTube songs. So YouTube. Okay. So we have to import another audio. Import. Also useful for me. So first of all, I want it. I want to. So let's see whether it is the song is equal to. So let's try this. Save it and cut this. Okay. There is no 5 watt kit is installed here. So let's try to change our version. So maybe in this version it will be available. So this one and we will play. Okay. No model. Okay. So we will try to skip install 5 watt kit. Okay. Now it is installed. So I don't know why both the my big libraries were erased from the computer. So never mind, we have option and it will take a little bit time. Unfortunately, I have no pause, so you have to wait with me. Otherwise, I would definitely pause the video so your time may be safe. So it is taking too long. So stay with me. Stay with me. Okay, okay. Come on, baby. Come on. You can do it. It's a very huge, large library, huh? Okay, successfully. Oh, what? It does not have a. What? Oh no. Oh no, dude. You can't do this. I auto we. Oh no, come on. Come on, yeah. Okay, let me try. Pip install update pip. Okay, something missing. So what's the problem? This is the problem. Right and run it. I think we have. Uh-huh. Okay, never mind. So let's try now because we have run a few codes. Okay, I think this time we will be successful. So let's see. Correct command. Okay, it is working good. Right. Hello. Okay. So let's say enter this song name. So let's see. Okay, it's not working. Oh, it's working. It's working. Okay. Oh my God, I can't believe this. It is playing. Oh my God, it is working. It's unbelievable. So, we have to stop it because we will hit by the copyright. So, okay, I'm very, very happy to share with you that our command is working. So, that is for the today. So, please share comments and help me to make an AI chatbot which is very smart, intelligent, creative. So stay with me and learn with mistakes. Until the next video, take care